So I want us to trade that is over unders, and for that case we'll actually work with a speed robot. And when I talk of a speed robot, let's use there are two speed robots that you can use to trade over unders. The performance is amazing. You have, for example, the beast, which is trading over 2, recovery over 4. You also have the air beast, which trades under 7, recovery under 5. Yeah, the two robots are auto analysis. For example, in this case, let's trade that is under 5. Yeah, this is under 7, recovery under 5. That is, let's take 30. Then stop loss, I'll increase my stop loss, target profit set up to 100. Then this is what I normally use to manage my losses. 4 consecutive losses we are out of the market. Okay, so everything else is okay. So if you check here, if I give you the details, I just want to show you on how you can actually be able to select the best volatility that will not stay in the market for long as you wait the market conditions to arrive. If you click here, just check. These are the conditions, that two strategies being applied by this robot to execute these contracts. First one is a percentage. If under 5 market is greater than 50% in the last 30 ticks, that's the first condition. The second condition, 3 consecutive over 4 digits, then the robot runs on under. So we need to choose a volatility that has the percentage is more than 50%. Or you really don't have to always do that. You can also run it randomly. The only thing will happen in case the market is less than 50%. You'll have to wait until the market gets to 50% for this robot to start the execution. Okay, so let's get a market that is more than 50% or close to that. If you check this one, the default, this one is 75 1s. You can actually see it's around 56. Yeah, so we can still use the default. It's okay, just run. So because it's already 50% and above, so here the robot will wait until we get 3 over digits. Yeah, then it will the robot will execute a trade. So 3 consecutive over 4 digits. For example, in this case, zina pop from here zikienda hivi, so we need over at least 3. Then the robot will run on. We run on over. Let's see. So that is our entry point. So this robot will be executing all trades with the entry point. You can actually see currently no trade has happened because the robot hasn't spotted any entry point. This is automatic. You really don't have to do it. Let's see. Over, not yet. Okay, so the market is still above 50. Ndio hiyo itapiga, ndio hiyo imepiga. You can actually see we have over, then S is digit 5, which is our prediction digits, and the trade is a win. So the same again. So it's actually happening again. That is automatically. Ndio hiyo imepiga tena, which is a win. 2 trades actually because easy. Yeah. So everything is just happening automatically. Is ndio hiyo tena, which is a win. Tumepiga loss, recovery. Over zingine. Okay, so now we are almost half the TP. We are at 53. So it's actually happening automatically. The reason why I'm showing you here, that is a chart, so that at least you can see like the robot is accurate. No, hiyo tena, or the market is less than 50. Yeah, that's why. But if it was above 50, the robot would have executed. So you see ati tunafanya analysis. We are not doing any analysis. I'm just trying to show you like the moment we spot 3 consecutive over digits, kama saa hii ndio hiyo na ndio hii imepiga. Yeah. Ndio hiyo imepiga recovery, unaona hapa. Overs zimefuatana. That's why we got consecutive losses there, but we still managed to make a recovery. Yeah. So now we only need one trade which tumepiga na imekuwa win. Yeah. So just check the performance. We have taken 14 trades, 10 wins and just 4 losses, and everything is just auto. So kama una blues trades, wewe sijui shida yako ni gani. 13,000 Kenya shillings. Yeah. So this is how the robot is trading. Let me explain in detail. So the first trade, the first thing we are actually trading, that is under 7 with under 5 recovery. So we are trading under 7 with under 5 recovery. So we are analyzing, the robot is analyzing that is under 5 market and making entry points with under 5 market. Okay, so in this case the first condition is under 5 market must be more than 50%. That is on the percentage tool now here. Yeah, it must be more than, now under 5 here must be more than 50%. That's the first condition. Then we have digit 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are digits above 4. So digits above 4, 3 consecutive appearance of digits above 4, then the robot will execute a trade on under 5. That is our entry point, and that is what has actually been happening. For example, come up, we have over, then the robot will execute a trade on, and of course, hata ingekuwa an automatic win because it is over, next trade is under. And because this would happen because the robot is executing every tick. Now that's the good thing with this robot. And that's how we manage to have this kind of performance. Even if you decide not to choose best volatility for this robot, it will still deliver, because or the only thing will happen, you'll have to overstay the market for long, because you may choose a market where under 5 market, you may choose a volatility where under 5 market is probably 30%. So you have to wait until that market gets to 50%. That's the only time this robot will actually execute. And that's how we got this kind of results. Bye-bye.